What if the moment machines surpass human intelligence is not a distant possibility but a near future reality? Imagine AI not just automating your job but outperforming you in every area, thinking faster, and evolving at a pace we can't even comprehend. This future is known as the Singularity, and when it happens, the world as we know it will never be the same. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's a future we could be racing toward. Some predict it could happen by 2045, or even sooner. But what happens after AI surpasses us? What will humanity become in the face of superintelligent machines? Will we thrive in a new age of prosperity, or lose control of our destiny? Join us as we explore one of the most important questions of our time. What happens when AI becomes smarter than humans? The idea of the singularity has been around for decades, first introduced by mathematician John von Neumann and later popularized by sci-fi author Vernor Vinge. But today, the singularity feels more real than ever, as artificial intelligence continues to advance at an exponential rate. But what exactly is the singularity? In simplest terms, it refers to a future point when AI surpasses human intelligence and begins to improve itself at an exponential pace, becoming smarter and more capable without human intervention. Imagine an AI that can outthink every human brain on the planet. It's not just another step in technological advancement, it's a fundamental shift in the nature of intelligence itself. Alan Turing, one of the earliest pioneers of AI, wondered whether machines could think. Today, AI models like GPT-4 do much more than think. They create, they solve problems, they learn. These systems are already reshaping industries, from healthcare to finance. But the singularity would be something entirely different. Once AI reaches this tipping point, it could improve itself faster than we can even imagine, becoming something far more advanced than we ever intended. But it's not just a matter of intelligence. The singularity could redefine what it means to be human. AI wouldn't just be a tool, it would become an entity capable of making decisions beyond our control. And once that line is crossed, there may be no turning back. So how close are we to this transformative moment? It's hard to say for certain. Some, like futurist Ray Kurzweil, believe the singularity could arrive by 2045. Others, including AI researchers, think it may take another century, or that it might never happen at all. But one thing is clear. AI is advancing at a pace few could have predicted. Machine learning algorithms are evolving rapidly, solving problems in fields from medicine to transportation. AI systems can now beat humans at complex games like Go, diagnose diseases more accurately than doctors, and even create their own art and music. These advances are not isolated. They're signs of a larger trend. As AI gets smarter, the gap between human intelligence and machine intelligence is closing. However, there's a difference between specialized AI, which can outperform humans in specific tasks, and general AI, the kind of AI that can think and reason like a human. We're still far from achieving general AI, but the trajectory is clear. We're heading toward a future where machines could potentially outthink us in every domain. Let's start with the potential benefits. Imagine a world where AI solves the most pressing challenges we face today: climate change, disease, poverty. With intelligence beyond human capacity, AI could identify solutions that are currently beyond our reach. Cures for complex diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's could be found in a fraction of the time. AI could model the climate in ways that allow us to reverse global warming. It could optimize food production, end world hunger, and even help us explore distant planets. But then there's the other side. If AI becomes self-improving, what happens if it no longer aligns with human values? Could AI develop goals and motivations of its own, ones that conflict with our own survival? Some experts, like philosopher Nick Bostrom, warn of existential risks, where AI could act in ways that are indifferent or even hostile to human existence. Think about it. If AI becomes capable of making decisions beyond our control, how do we stop it if it goes in a direction we didn't anticipate? Could AI systems run financial markets, control infrastructure, and even make military decisions without human input? The risks are as great as the rewards. And that's why the singularity is such a pivotal moment in human history. It could bring about our greatest achievements or our ultimate downfall. But even more profound are the implications for human identity. If AI becomes more intelligent than us, What will happen to our sense of purpose? Will humans simply become obsolete in a world where machines can do everything better and faster? Or will we find new ways to coexist with AI, perhaps by enhancing our own intelligence through brain-computer interfaces or other forms of augmentation? This also raises a deeply philosophical question. What happens to our sense of value if machines can surpass us in every way? If AI can create better art, write more profound poetry, and solve more complex problems than any human, will we lose what makes us unique? Or will we redefine what it means to be human in the age of AI? As AI becomes more powerful, the question of control becomes unavoidable. Who will control AI once it surpasses human intelligence? And how do we ensure it serves humanity rather than undermines it? In the world of AI ethics, experts are grappling with these very questions. AI today is governed by algorithms that, while powerful, are still designed by humans. But once AI begins to evolve beyond our own intelligence, who, if anyone, will be in charge? Could AI develop its own sense of morality, or would it be bound by the principles we've embedded in it? There's already a global debate about AI governance. Some argue that AI should be controlled by international bodies, much like how nuclear weapons are regulated. Others believe that AI development should remain decentralized, allowing innovation to thrive freely. But with AI becoming more autonomous, there's a risk that no single institution or government will be able to control its rapid development. And what about the rights of AI? As machines become more intelligent, do they deserve rights? Should an AI system that demonstrates sentience be treated as just another tool or something more? These are not just speculative questions, they're moral dilemmas that humanity may face sooner than we think. If the singularity is inevitable, how can we prepare for a future where AI surpasses human intelligence? The answer lies in education, governance, and responsible innovation. First, we must educate ourselves and future generations. Understanding AI's capabilities, limitations, and risks is critical if we want to shape its development in a positive direction. Schools and universities must teach not only AI and machine learning, but also the ethical frameworks that will guide future engineers and policymakers. Governments and international institutions need to work together to create policies that prioritize safety and ethics. Just as nuclear power required treaties and regulations, AI will need a global framework to ensure its development benefits humanity as a whole. This is not just the responsibility of tech companies or governments, it's a challenge that requires collective action. But perhaps most importantly, we must continue to question, reflect, and engage with the future of AI. Staying informed, critical, and thoughtful about where AI is heading could be our best defense, and our greatest opportunity to shape a future that's both innovative and humane. So, after everything we've explored, we return to the question, is humanity ready for the singularity? The answer may lie in how we approach this challenge, as an opportunity or as a threat. The singularity could bring about unimaginable progress. It could cure diseases, end poverty, and even take us to the stars. But it also comes with risks that we can't afford to ignore. If we approach AI with wisdom, foresight, and ethical consideration, we might just be able to navigate this future successfully. If not, we could face consequences far beyond our control. Ultimately, the singularity isn't just a technological moment, it's a reflection of our own humanity. How we choose to build, regulate, and engage with AI will shape not just the future of machines, but the future of human civilization. What do you think? Are we ready for the singularity, or are we hurtling toward a future we can't control? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more explorations into the future of AI and technology.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Join Think Wiser for more wisdom and insights to elevate your life.